Hi everyone, I am JULKA. Today's topic is straight lines. In part 1, we will talk about slope of line, slope and point form, 2 points form and intercept form of a line. Slope of a line denoted by m, which equals to tan theta, where theta is angle between line and the positive direction of x-axis. Suppose the line is passing through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, then we can calculate slope using formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. First example, find slope of a line which makes angle 45 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Here theta is 45, slope is m equals to tan theta and theta is 45, so slope is tan 45 which equals to 1. Next example, find slope of a line which makes an angle 30 degree clockwise with positive direction of y-axis. Angle with the positive direction of y-axis is 30, so angle with x-axis is 60 degree and slope is tan theta where theta is 60 degree, so slope equals to root 3. Next example, find slope of a line which makes angle 30 degree with positive direction of y-axis anti-clockwise. Angle with y-axis is 30 degree anti-clockwise, so angle with x-axis is 120 degree. Slope is m which equals to tan theta, here theta is 120 degree. Tan 120 we can calculate tan 90 plus 30. Tan 90 plus 30 is minus cot 30 which equals to minus root 3. One more example, find slope of a line joining 2 points 2, 5 and minus 3, 7. Here x1, y1 is 2, 5 and x2, y2 is minus 3, 7. We'll use formula slope equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and after calculation we'll get the answer minus 2 by 5. If equation of a line is ax plus by plus c equals 0, then slope of line is minus a upon b, or we can say that it is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. For example, find slope of a line 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x is 3 and the coefficient of y is 4 and the slope is minus 3 by 4. Please remember these 2 points. If two lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. We can say that m1 equals to m2. If two lines are perpendicular, then the multiple of their slope equals to minus 1, or m1 into m2 equals to minus 1, or we can say that m2 equals to minus 1 upon m1. Example, find slope of lines parallel and perpendicular to given line 2x plus 5y equal to 7. The slope of given line is minus 2 by 5, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So slope of parallel line is equal, which is minus 2 by 5. And the slope of perpendicular line is minus 1 upon the slope of the given line. So it is minus 1 divided by minus 2 by 5, which equals to 5 by 2. If we want to find out angle between two given lines, we can calculate angle using the formula with the help of the slope of two lines, where slope of two lines are m1 and m2, and angle between them is tan theta equals to in mod m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. For example, if we want to find angle between lines x plus root 3y equal to 7 and root 3x minus y equals to 11. Here m1 is minus 1 upon root 3 and m2 is minus root 3 by minus 1, which equals to root 3. Now applying formula tan theta equals to in mod m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Now insert the value of m1 and m2. m1 is minus 1 by root 3, m2 is root 3. And after simplification, we'll get answer plus minus infinite. So angle is either 90 degree or 270 degree. Now we'll discuss slope and point form of a line. If a line passing through x1, y1 and having slope m, then the equation of line y minus y1 equals to m times of x minus x1. We'll explain with the help of an example. Find equation of a line which passing through a point 3, 2 and makes an angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Here x1, y1 is 3, 2 and slope m equals to 1030. 1030 is 1 by root 3 and the equation line is y minus y1 equals to m times of x minus x1. x1 is 2, y1 is 3 and m is 1 by root 3. And after simplification, we'll get the equation x minus root 3y equals to 3 minus 2 root 3. Next is 2 points form. Equation of a line passing through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1. We will explain with the help of an example. Find equation of a line passing through 2 points 2, 3 and 5, 7. Here x1, y1 is 2, 3 and x2, y2 is 5, 7. Now applying formula y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 whole multiplied by x minus x1, where x1 and y1 is 2, 3 and x2 and y2 is 5, 7. After simplification, we'll get the equation of line 4x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. Next is intercept form. Equation of a line having intercepts a and b on axis respectively. This implies line cut x-axis at a distance of a and y-axis at a distance of b. So a is small a, 0 and the b point is 0, small b. Equation line is x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. We can prove that x-intercept is a and the y-intercept is b. So line is passing through a, 0 and 0, b. Now we can find equation of line using 2 points form. Y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, where x1, y1 is a, 0 and x2, y2 is 0, b. And after simplification, we'll get bx plus ay equals to ab. Now divided by ab both sides and we will get x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. It's the intercept form of a line. Next example. Find equation of line passing through 2, 2 and cutting of intercept on axis whose sum is 9. Let equation of required line is x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. It is given that a plus b equals to 9, so b equals to 9 minus a. Replace b by 9 minus a. And since line is passing through 2, 2, so it will satisfy the equation of line. Replace x and y by 2, 2. So we have equation 2 divided by a plus 2 divided by 9 minus a equals to 1. And after simplification, we'll get equation a square minus 9a plus 18 equal to 0. So after simplification, we'll get a equal to 6 or a equal to 3. If a is 6, then b is 3. The equation of line is x upon 6 plus y upon 3 equals to 1. If a is 3, then b is 6. The equation line is x upon 3 plus y upon 6 equals to 1. Last example. Find equation of line parallel to the given line 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 and passing through a point minus 2 comma 3. To find an equation, we need a point and a slope. Slope of given line is minus 3 by minus 4, which equals to 3 by 4, and minus quotient x upon coefficient of y. And the slope of required line, which parallel to the given line. So m1 equals to m2. So slope is 3 by 4. And line is passing through minus 2 comma 3. Now we have one point and slope. We'll use equation of line y minus y1 equals to m times of x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is minus 2 comma 3 and slope is 3 by 4. And after simplification, we get the equation of line 3x minus 4y plus 18 equal to 0.